Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn sporting words in Tongan. You will notice some words have two translations, both formal and informal. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's start. Vainga or Sipoti means sport. Vainga, Sipoti, sport. Hippy hippy means cheer. Hippy hippy, cheer. Ikuna or Mālohi means win. Ikuna, Mālohi, win. Fo'i means lose. Fo'i, lose. Lele means run. Lele, run. Puna means jump. Puna, jump. Li means throw. Li, throw. Mala'e vainga means stadium. Mala'e vainga, stadium. Ohofi means tackle. Ohofi, tackle. Tata'o means try. Tata'o, try. Golo means goal. Golo, goal. Pulu means ball. Pulu, ball. Lakepi akapulu means rugby. Lakepi or akapulu, rugby. Kilikiti means cricket. Kilikiti, cricket. Soccer or akapulu means soccer. Soccer, akapulu, soccer. Kakao or siukakao means swimming. Kakao, siukakao, swimming. Great work, class. That's the bell. See you after lunch.